Welcome. Managing your profile and personal settings is simple and intuitive. But beyond the basics, we want to give you the tools to truly understand and improve your writing. Let's dive into our powerful writing analytics dashboard, your central hub for tracking progress, building habits, and gaining valuable insights into your craft. The moment you arrive, you get a high-level overview of your performance. Key metrics like your total words, number of sessions, and current writing streak are right at your fingertips, giving you an instant snapshot of your recent activity. While the overview gives you a great summary of your progress, the real power comes from tracking your work live. You can jump straight into a session from the Quick Start menu or head over to the Active Session tab for more detailed setup. Here, you can prepare for a focused session. First, select the book or project you're working on. Then, choose your session type, whether you're writing, editing, or even doing research. Finally, set a word count target to keep you motivated. Once you're ready, click Start. The tracker begins immediately. You'll see a live timer, a progress bar for your word count, and a space for session notes to jot down ideas. Need to take a quick break? Simply pause the session. The timer stops, so you don't lose focus. When you're ready to get back to it, just click Resume. And when you're finished, end the session to log your progress. Every session you complete is automatically logged and reflected in your analytics. Now let's look at managing your targets. In the Goals tab, you can see all your active goals. Need to make a change? It's easy. Just click the edit icon, adjust the target value, and update. Your goal is instantly revised. Setting a new goal is just as simple. Click the Add button to open the Creator. You have complete flexibility. Choose from daily, weekly, or monthly goals for words, time, or even chapters. Let's set a new daily word goal. And just like that, it's added to your dashboard, ready to be tracked. Every session you track and every goal you set feeds directly back into your analytics. Your overview, trends, and insights become more accurate and powerful with each writing session, giving you a complete, data-driven view of your writing habits. The entire dashboard is dynamic. You can easily filter your data to see your progress over the last 7 days, or zoom out to view the last 30 days. All the charts and metrics update instantly, giving you the exact perspective you need. With detailed data, clear goals, and intelligent insights, the Writing Analytics dashboard is designed to empower you on your writing journey. Start tracking your progress today and watch your craft improve.